Hey guys, so I'm actually at a motel now, guys. I'm going up to the lake. Hello. Good. How are you? I'm going up to the lake, and just going up to the lake. Riding through this motel. Here we are. Here we are. Okay, so this is a water supply, and I'm not allowed to go swimming in here or I'll get arrested, but I'm allowed to walk on it. So let's do that. Just don't want to fall in and get wet. I'm not wearing a bathing suit or anything. Just wearing normal clothes. And the thing is, what's so bad about it? Geese shit in here all the time. This is water supply. It goes to people's houses. Hey, look at geese shit in here. So what's wrong about people swimming in here? Because geese certainly swim in here. If I'm right. Oh, geese, please don't go away. Oh, no. See, the geese are going away, guys. Geese, come back. Let's go down a little bit more. Geese don't flip and fly away like ducks do. Geese are a little different. They're not as afraid as you as ducks. But, swans, on the other hand, a swan will rape you if you go this close to a swan. As soon as a swan sees you, it would rape you. It'll fuck you the fuck up. Let's count the geese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 geese. 20 geese in here. Let's go near them. Hey, no, come back. Come back, I want to play with you. Hey, I said come back. Come back. Come back. Okay, you don't want to play with me? I'm not going to hurt you, I just want to play with you. I want to have friends, but no one wants to hang out with me, and that sucks. Let's make a video of riding out here, shall we? Here we go. Let's sing a song. I'm riding my bike along the reservoir. It's a water supply. Riding my bike up on this high raise up. It's so beautiful here. It's so gorgeous here. It's beautiful here. What a nice pond. What a nice field. It's so beautiful out here. A really steep hill that you could ride down. But you gotta be careful for the rocks. Yes, you do. Riding out here. Yes, I am. Riding out here. Sing along. Riding out here. There's a sewer. Riding out here. Riding out here. I just decided to have a good time. I just want to ride out here. Oh, there's the path. Oh yeah, that path's really woodsy. That goes out to Hoppin Hill. That path's really woodsy. That goes out to Hoppin Hill, guys. Here's another song. This is a bike ride song. Gonna ride my bicycle. I'm gonna ride my bicycle. I'm gonna ride my bicycle. I'm gonna ride my bicycle. 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 I'm 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 gonna ride my bicycle. Hi guys, so see the steep hill? I've been reading your YouTube comments, and you guys told me to ride my bike down this hill. And looking back, I shouldn't do it, but that's what the comments in the links below, and it said don't use brakes. But okay, let's do it. You only live once. Whoa! Oh! Okay, I'm not using my brakes. Ah!